Hey Mom, so I'm going to show you right now how to add a portfolio item. So up here at the very top, I've already created your different galleries for right now. And we're currently in the oil paintings gallery right here. When you're in the gallery, there are a couple things to notice. One, you have these different tags that'll allow you to search through items that are on this page. There's only one item right now, so there's not much point in clicking out, but right now all is selected. If I click on landscape and there are no landscape oil paintings, OP stands for oil painting, it won't show anything. But if you click still life, it'll be there. So I'm going to show you how to add something in here, and I'm going to reference both this page right here as well as the back end that allows you to put stuff here. So to begin with, the first thing I want to do is go and log into the back end. And so right now I'm already logged in. Ignore what you're seeing right now. Chances are when you first log in, you're going to see what's called the dashboard right over here. And so to add a portfolio item to the gallery, what you want to come over is choose portfolio items. And we're going to add a new portfolio item. So the first thing you want to type is the title, and this is just going to be a sample that I can go back and delete. So I'm going to type in Lake Toxaway. And whatever I type here, if I switch over and look at the portfolio, that's what's going to appear right here. So the title. Then you'll probably want to put some text in here. I thought a good set of text to include would be something like this. And obviously this will change right here. All of the stuff that you enter in this giant box right here is going to appear when you actually click on either the read more or the title, and it's going to appear right down here. So this is what I'm adding when I add information to this box right here. So I'm going to go back here just so that I can show you different elements. So to add the text that will appear right beneath the title in the portfolio gallery, what you want to do is come down and scroll down to excerpt. And so for this sample, I'm just going to put this as an excerpt. Whoops. And this text is going to appear right here. The read more link is automatically created. So the next thing I want to do is insert a link to a picture. And so to do this, you want to click on the insert image / video. Chances are you'll be uploading brand new image files that are going to be stored within your website, so you'll want to click select files. I've already uploaded the oil painting of Lake Toxaway, so I'm going to switch over to media library. And this tab right here shows everything that I have. And so the Greystone Inn is what I want to look at. So I'm going to click show. And then it pulls up all the information about the Greystone Inn. So the thing that I want to actually copy is this link URL. So I'm going to select all of it by double clicking. Then I'm going to copy it. You can do that by doing Control-C. And once I've copied this web address for the image, I'm going to close out. And then over here in Full-Size Pick for Lightbox, I'm going to paste this in. And then I'm just going to click right here. And you'll see the image start to load. The final thing you need to do is set the feature image. And right here, I can go back to that same image, but I'm just going to close it because I actually, whoops, I'm sorry. I made a mistake. So you wouldn't want to close it. You want to go to Media Library, and then I'm going to go back to Greystone Inn, and then I'm just going to click Use as Featured Image. And then I'm just going to close out of this right here, and you'll see it appeared right here. And so for right now, that is pretty much most of what I want to do. I also want to add a portfolio category. These portfolio categories, I've only put 4 in right now because I really don't know what you want, but the OP stands for oil painting, so I put 2 categories, landscape and still life. And then PI stands for pen and ink right there. And that's really just an organizational structure. So this is a landscape oil painting, so I'm going to click on that. And what that's going to do, if I switch back, it's going to actually populate landscape oil painting with all the stuff that I've done. So I'm going to now click publish. And you'll notice it kind of refreshes and it says post published. So if I switch back to oil paintings and then refresh the page, you'll now see the Lake Toxaway image. This is automatically generated. If I click on it, you'll see a full-size image right here. I can actually enlarge it to the actual size by clicking that button, but that's kind of hard to see. And so I'm just going to close out. Where I put the excerpt text, you actually see that now. If I click on read more or Lake Toxaway, you can click on it. And then here you can also click on the picture to see the full-size image. That text that we copied and pasted into the big box is right here. And so that's basically how you do it. If I go back to my art galleries, oil paintings, you can see now if I click on still life, only the still life will show. If I click on landscape, only the landscape, but if I click show all will appear. That's essentially how you create a portfolio item. Hope it helps.